Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to show you the stepwise method to determine lowest structure for BH3 molecule. It's a chemical formula for borane or boron hydride, and it's a quite simple structure. So boron over here has 3 valence electrons in its outer shell, and each hydrogen atom has 1 valence electron in its outer shell. So we have 6 valence electrons for borane molecule. Once you know the total number of valence electrons, it becomes really easy to determine the arrangement of atoms and the bonds that are formed in this structure. So now here we have 6 valence electrons for BH3. We are going to place boron in the center because hydrogen atoms never take the central position. So boron will be in the center, all the hydrogen atoms will be placed around it like this. To show a bond between boron and hydrogen atom, we are going to place a pair of electrons. So for doing that, we will be using up all 6 valence electrons that we have, and this is the lowest structure of BH3. Although boron doesn't have a complete octet, it can do away with 6 valence electrons in its outer shell, and hence this is the lowest structure for BH3 molecule. I hope this video helps you to understand that. For more such videos on lowest structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.